Alright, we're gonna test out the sticky waterfall over there. So taking off the shoes and hopefully won't fall. I have my friend here, my South African friend. Yeah, definitely, absolutely. I thought it was really rough here, but it's actually not too bad on the feet. So
feet has been hardened.
Yeah, that's true. So they call it a sticky waterfall because of all the limestone that's been built up from the lime in the water, apparently. So be interesting. Took about an hour to get here on a bike from Chiang Mai, so pretty nice ride. Nearer the end, it started getting a little chillier through the wind in the forest, which was very nice. Yeah, it's not too cold. Like, it's pretty good temperature here. I think it's quite perfect temperature here.
Yeah. I told my family this weather is perfect.
Yeah.
This is the way to describe it.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh wow, that is one big spider. Big.
Hij gaat nu sluiten, dus je moet er gewoon doorlopen. Ah, die mensen die zijn zo moeilijk. Kom maar terug, even. Waterfall, let's go! Go!
This is cool now, everybody has to walk. And they don't have to stand still and take
Yeah.
Move,
Not for that.
绕过去那边，然后全部都是石头，看过了，就往那边爬嘛。
Ik ga eerst, ja? Nog een level staan.
Yeah, it's not that cold.
Yeah.
It's not cold. Yeah, it's got loads of grip to it. It's like really grippy. Yeah, sticky waterfall. I feel like I've got Spider-Man's feet.
I can't believe it. It's weird to think that we can walk up here.
It's so pretty.
I got some water on the lens.
That's fine. We can just... There you go.
You sure?
Yeah.
They should re-engineer this or something for normal use in public.
Peel the
I'm not used to this.
yeah. Thank you. It's slippy here. It's slippy. Yeah, use the rope. I was like, I'm like, okay.
If I wasn't there, you would have
Slowly gone down, yeah. Be fine.
Dude, that could have been. Why don't you go here? Oh,
Yeah.
I can stand behind you.
Okay. It was good. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, you crazy. No. Come here. Come here. Here is slippery, but it's got footholds. It's like someone's shoes. The holes. Yeah. He wanted to come up the hard mode.
He's taking a picture.
Yeah. Very sketchy. All right. Oh,
这边是不是没有啊？
good fun.
然后我们看。Now we take a
That's a sticky waterfall.
completed bucket list
Yeah, from the bottom.
Why are you not here?
Yeah. Why? Come on. Get out here.